that kind of brings us into our segment 2, which is legal and regulatory costs. Right. That is the perfect segue, because often you can run into these issues. Even if you do really great screening, sometimes you will have a tenant dispute, and that's when you might have some of those legal and regulatory costs that are incurred. So just put a little bit of money away, or have a bit of money saved ready in case that happens.
Right. Yeah. I mean, it costs money to, put your L forms into the Landlord Tenant Board. There's costs if you need to hire a paralegal. Hopefully you don't need a lawyer for Landlord Tenant Board. If you do, then that's obviously even a greater cost. But yeah, it eats away at rent very quickly when you get into this.
Understand as well, like what your legal obligations are and the process of going through that eviction, and maybe even get a little bit of education from an online course or something, or talk to a local paralegal, and maybe they can help educate you a little bit on just prior to you getting. Hopefully you don't ever get into one of those situations, but prior to getting into a situation like that, if you know your rights and know how to go about giving the notices, and giving the notices perfectly, that'll go a long way.